What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Syntus portable vacuum sealer set here. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this device, including one thing that you should know before buying. So the brand reached out to us directly and asked if we would be willing to get this product in exchange for a review, so full disclosure. But that in no way impacts a review. And the reason why we said yeah is because this one obviously works. We already have one of these. Right? We have this one right here, which works great. But the problem is it's so big and bulky and it's super annoying to drag out. So I thought, you know what, let's try something smaller like this to see if it's comparable. And I have been definitely pleasantly surprised thus far. So I'll show it working here in a second, but just want to go through the different components that it has. So we have the actual sealer here. We have three things to help to seal the bags. What those are. The charging cord, it does not come with like a little box to charge it into, so you're gonna have to plug it into something. But that, and then we have all these bags here. So we have 30 total bags. There's an 8x10, there's 10 by 13.8, and then 11.8 by 13.8 bags. So 10 of each of those. But yeah, these are all the components that you need to know of. Now, in terms of using it, super easy, and I'll show you that in a second, but I do want to just show you one thing that's cool here is it actually has this right here, which is nice because if you're wondering like, oh, what if there's liquid in the bags? This actually can get liquid inside of it and it's okay. If it overflows and you get too much liquid, you do have to clean it out by taking this off. But if there's a little bit of liquid, you see here the max, it's actually okay. So it can do both wet and dry, which was one of the worries that I had. But now I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up and show you exactly how it works. Okay, so the first thing, getting one of the bags, you just wanna open it just like this and put your food in here. All right, so I know it doesn't make much sense to store, but I'm gonna go ahead and put some food in here just because it has the wet properties, if you will. So we'll see if we get any liquid inside this thing. And now you'll see it's super simple to use. So you just line this up and you put it directly on there. There we go. And you can actually hear it. Hear that hissing sound? That's it working. And there we go, we're getting some liquid. And it actually stops when it is ready. And you can see this is really well sealed. Up here, the top is fully closed. This is not going to need anything else. You can see the seal is actually really, really strong, which is nice. Really good to store meats, things like that. That's what we've been using it for, is chicken and everything like that. So in terms of the one thing to know before buying it that I mentioned in the intro here, so these bags, most people think like, oh, we're gonna have to buy new bags. And you can buy new bags if you need to with this. But in general, one of the best parts, these bags are actually reusable. You're gonna have to wash them by hand. You obviously don't want to throw them in the dishwasher, but it is really nice that they have reusable bags because a lot of these, they have that ongoing cost. And this one doesn't have it. So yeah, if you're considering this, definitely we like it a lot and we absolutely highly recommend it.